Well, hello again everyone, and we've finally got to the exciting stage of paint and design on the tank. Now, I've been giving this quite some thought. I had hoped to go with that magenta metal flake, but I think that's just going to be too time consuming with all the different layers of clear and stuff that I'm going to have to put on and taping and that sort of thing. So I'm going to go for sort of the closest I can get with my skill level to a sort of true fire flame job on the tank. And yeah, I think that may even suit the bike a little bit better. Now the first thing I'm going to do is just give the tank a little bit of a scuff with some 600 grit paper. Just enough to take the shine off. I'm not going to go crazy. Now you can see I found a section I wasn't really very happy with, so I did smooth that off, and yeah, that little ridge is gone now. And what I'll do, I'll attach that in with some airbrush black. That'll be okay, I think. But first, I'm going to give everything a bit of a wipe down with my tack rag. Right, let's mix up some black and cover this over. Well, there we go. I think that's got rid of that, hasn't it? And what I think I might do is just mask off these brackets for the tank, because I think it will look messy if we start to get white paint and flame paint spilling over onto those. Right, now of course it's time to mix up some white and start to bring in the outline of those flames. Right, there we go, there's a little bit of white on there. So now I'm going to hit that with some candy red. Well, there we go, that's got the candy red on it. Now I'm going to give it a little coat of UVLS clear just to act as an intercoat clear so it doesn't bleed through into the next coat. Right, I'm going to leave that clear just for a couple of minutes to settle, and then I'll go in with the white again as a base for the orange. Okay folks, well we've got a bit of a problem here. When I sprayed that intercoat clear, I did notice there's a little bit of a run in it. I'm not sure what it is, whether it's, I wonder if it's a little bit of airbrush cleaner or something. But however much I try and spray the white over it, it just comes back pure white. So I'm gonna have to come up with some sort of solution for that, because that's gonna mess up our paint job, isn't it? I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go back over this with some black. I'm going to leave it for a few minutes just to properly harden up, and I'm going to see if I can cover it with some black again, and then we'll have to bring in probably the red base again and then do this side with the orange again. We'll rescue it, I think. I think, you know, we can pull that round with the white and the orange, because still got quite a lot of the red left there. So yeah, let's have a go. Right, what do you reckon? Yeah, let's hit it with the orange, see how it turns out. Let's give that a little while and then hit it with some clear again. Right, I've put a little bit of clear over there. Now let's go in with the white again as a base for the yellow. Right, let's go in with the yellow. Right, now it's a case of one more go with the clear, and then just bring in a touch of white at the front. So there we go, that is the airbrushing more or less done on that tank. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it, I think that's come out quite well. It does feel almost like we're getting somewhere with this bike now. Very satisfying. Well, I'm gonna get some kit now because it's getting quite late, and we'll see you again very soon in the next one.